Alright, so New York session's about to open up in about 5 minutes. It's 7:54 right now. And I'm in this Aussie yen swing trade for 2 lots. Currently up about 800 bucks on the position. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens during New York session and see if we could scale out of this position a bit today. But yeah, this was a trade I was holding overnight from yesterday, and it's looking pretty good coming into New York. So I'm gonna see what we could get today. I'll keep you posted. All right, it's about 8:45. I scaled out of some of this Aussie yen swing trade, just along for one standard lot now. Just got into another trade on GBP USD. Went short for one standard. Looking for price to break this support right here. See if we could hit those lower targets on the day. But yeah, just got into that one, so I'll keep you posted, see how this one goes. Quick update, it's about 9 o'clock, and this GBP short is starting to work out a little bit now. Up about 4 or 5 pips on this. Just starting to work out now. We got a lower target on the day. But yeah, keep you posted on this one as it is just finally starting to break this support, and we'll see if this holds down. Quick update, I closed the Aussie yen swing trade, now just in this GBP short, which is doing pretty good, running about 20 pips in profit. But yeah, this trade is doing well. Broke that support from the London session, and yeah, we'll see if we could get some more lower targets today. It's about 9:45 a.m. All right, quick little update. It's about 10:40 a.m. here New York time. I closed half of this GBP short. Still got half a standard left. This one's floating about 30 pips in profit here. So yeah, we got that downward pressure that we were looking for. Sellers got a little aggressive at those overnight lows, and yeah, waiting for some more further targets to the downside, but I'll keep you posted on this one. Most likely the last trade of the day. All right, so I went ahead and closed the rest of this GBP USD trade as it's about 11 o'clock, and I'm getting out of here for the day, done for the day. But a little over $1,000 for the session. Closed about 800 on this Aussie yen swing trade, and then a little over 200 bucks on this GBP USD day trade, which is still performing pretty nice. I just got to get out of here. It's about 11 o'clock, and I'm signing out. Till tomorrow. Peace.